Here we are on the classwork for 1.12. Goal of today is to do the whole thing, so 1 through 4. For each one, you're pretty much just reading and answering the questions. So the hardest part, as you know, is just figuring out, what is your y, what is your x, and it depends on the situation. Like, do you think about, time goes in the bottom, money goes on top, or you think about input and output, independent, dependent variables. Um, so I'm not going to do number 1. Number 2, they're talking about the area of a blackboard and an area of a poster. And at the bottom it says, is there more than one unit rate that can be calculated? How do you know? And I will tell you, yes. Okay, you can do it either way for number 2. Where the blackboard is X or the blackboard's Y, it doesn't really matter. You'll get the same type of answer. Number 3 talks about a toy remote controlled Jeep is 12.5 inches wide, while an actual Jeep is pictured to be 18 3/4 feet wide. What is the value of the ratio of the width of the remote controlled Jeep to the width of the actual Jeep? Okay, so in this scenario, they tell you remote control to the width of the actual. They give you the order, okay? Which means when you go in to compare it, you're talking about remote over the actual. Okay, so sometimes you have to pay attention to that. On the last page, a third of a cup of flour is used to make 5 dinner rolls. How many cups of flour are needed to make 3 dozen dinner rolls? So for this one, I would think about input versus output. What do you put into the process and what do you get out of the process? So that's all I'll do for now because I want you guys to kind of figure it out on your own. If you need more help, you can always come to office hours or send me an email.